Good morning, children. This is a moral science class. Open your book at page number 17. This is chapter 5. Let us be thankful. Follow your book, children. Thank you, dear God, for this wonderful world. Thank you for my parents. Thank you for my friends. We thank God because He is very good to us. We are thankful to our parents. Mother cooks food for us. She cares for us. Father works hard for us. He loves us. We are grateful to both of them. We must be grateful to our teachers. They teach us many things. We must thank our friends who make our life happy. We must thank everyone who helps us. It may be a servant or it may be the dhobi. Let us thank all who work for us. It makes them happy. If we don't thank them, they feel sad. Let us make everyone happy. You can see the picture. So children, we have come to know that we are thankful to God for everything which we have, and we are thankful to our parents who take care for us and do everything for us. Our parents do everything for us. Okay, so we are thankful to them always, and we are grateful to our teachers who teaches us many good things. Not only parents and teachers, we should be thankful to every person who helps us. Okay, whether he or she is a servant or dhobi, no matter, you should thank everyone who worked for you. Okay, so we always say thank you to those person who helps us. Okay, now question answers. Whom should we thank? Children, we should thank answer. Write the answer. Whom should we thank? We should thank THNK everyone, EVERYONE. Children, I am writing here. Everyone who helps us. ओके, देखो मैंने ये सेकंड लाइन में लिख दिए हैं, पर ये 2 नंबर का आंसर नहीं है, 1 का ही आंसर है. वहाँ पे स्पेस थोड़ा कम था, इसलिए आप लोग 1 में ही कंप्लीट कीजिए. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, वी शुड हेल्प एवरीवन और एवरी पर्सन हु हेल्प्स अस. जो भी हमारे हेल्प करते हैं, जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे टीचर्स और एवरीवन जो हमारे हम लोगों को चाहे कोई भी काम में हेल्प करते हैं, सभी को हम लोगों को थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए. ओके, थैंकफुल फील करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2, why should we be thankful to our friends? Now write the answer in this way. We should be thankful to our friends. First write from here. We should be thankful to our friends. Write from here. Follow the question and try to write the answer. We should be thankful to our friends because they make our life happier. Okay, they make our life happy. Because we should be thankful, we should be right here, be thankful to our friends because they make our life happy. Okay, because they make our life हैप्पी. जब आप फ्रेंड के साथ रहते हो तो हैप्पी फील करते हो ना, और फ्रेंड हमारे नीड में हम लोगों को हेल्प भी करते हैं. तो आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि आपको यही आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, वी शुड बी थैंकफुल टू आवर फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज दे हेल्प अस व्हेन वी नीड देम, या फिर दे हेल्प अस इन आवर नीड. ऐसे भी आप लिख सकते हैं. ओके, so try to write the answer, complete the answer. Next, number 3, what is the meaning of grateful? So write the answer in this way. Grateful means being thankful for something done or received. For something I'm writing here, something done or received. Received. Okay, so grateful means being thankful for something done or received. Okay, ग्रेटफुल होने का मतलब क्या है? ग्रेटफुल होना यानी अगर आपके लिए कोई कुछ करे या फिर आपको कुछ दे तो उनके लिए आप थैंकफुल हैं. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रेन, नाउ राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स नेक्स्ट टू each. Number 1, God wants us to thank him. God wants us to thank him. We should be thankful to God. So this is true. Number 1. Number 2, we don't have to thank our servants. No, children, we have read in this chapter and we already know that we should be thankful to the people who help us like servant. Okay, so this is false. So write here false. F-A-L-S-E. Okay, now number 3, saying thank you to children is not good. Saying thank you to children is not good. No, this is not true. Saying thank you to children is not good. False. जैसे कि आप अगर आपके पेरेंट्स के या फिर आपके एल्डर्स का हेल्प करते हैं या फिर स्कूल में टीचर्स की हेल्प करते हैं, तो आपको टीचर्स या फिर आपके घर के दूसरे लोग थैंक यू बोलते हैं ना। तो फिर चिल्ड्रन को थैंक यू क्यों नहीं बोल सकते? चिल्ड्रन को तो थैंक यू बोलते हैं। कोई भी अगर किसी का हेल्प करे तो उनको थैंक यू बोलना है, चाहे वो आपके एल्डर्स हो या फिर एल्डर्स आपको थैंक यू बोले या फिर आपके घर के सर्वेंट हो। ओके। Now number 4, not thanking makes people unhappy. Yes. If you don't thank anyone and the people who help you, then they become unhappy. So make them happy. You should thank them always. So this one is true. अगर आप थैंक यू नहीं आप उनको थैंक यू नहीं बोलेंगे तो फिर क्या वो अनहैप्पी हो जाएंगे। ओके। नंबर 5, एवरी डे वी मस्ट थैंक गॉड। वी मस्ट थैंक गॉड when we want to pray to God. Okay, when we want to talk to God, this is not necessary that we should thank God every day, every time. Okay, we should feel thankful for God, but this is up to you when you want to talk to God. ओके जब आपको गॉड को थैंक यू बोलने का मन करे तब आप बोल ही सकते हैं, चाहे वो एवरी डे हो, चाहे वो 1-2 दिन बाद हो, वंस इन अ वीक हो, ये आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। ठीक है, कि आपको कब, चाहे दिन में 2 भी बार हो जाए। ओके, तो आपको जब भी गॉड से बात करने का मन करे, प्रे करने का मन करे और कोई भी चीज़ के लिए गॉड को थैंक यू बोलने का मन करे तो आप बोल ही सकते हैं। इसके लिए कोई फिक्स्ड टाइम या रूल नहीं है। ठीक है, ये हम लोग प्रीवियस चैप्टर में भी पढ़े हैं। सो यू कैन राइट फॉल्स फॉर दिस सेंटेंस। नाउ सी, fill in the blanks with word from the box. So where is the box? Here is the box. So first, children, read the given words. The given words are grateful, help, thankful. Now read the sentences. We must thank all those who dash us. We must thank all those who help us. We are thankful because we are thankful because we are grateful. Dash people are liked by all, thankful. Write one reason for being thankful to the following people. Policeman. So children, you have to write one sentence, one reason for being thankful to these people. Okay, so write this in your copy. Policeman, you can write policeman protect us from thieves, or you can write policeman maintain law and order. Okay, policemen maintain law and order. So write any one reason. Now mother, you can write mother, my mother helps me in my studies. Or you can write my mother cares for me, my mother cooks good food for me. Okay, so you can write any one reason of this. My domestic help. My domestic help right reason help us to clean our house. Okay. Postman. Postman delivers letter to us. You can write this, deliver parcel, etc. Soldier. Soldier. A soldier protects our country from enemies. Okay. So in this way, write one reason for being thankful to this person. Okay. So in this way, children, complete this chapter. Read the chapter again. This is very important chapter. So read this chapter carefully and write the question answers, true, false, etc. and complete the chapter. Okay. Thank you.